Are your iPhone notifications suddenly black and white? Here's the quick fix. Step 1. Check customization settings. If you're using Apple's liquid glass layout, just long press anywhere on your home screen. At the top left corner, tap on Edit. Click on Customize. Here, choose the default option. Once you do that, exit the screen and check your notifications. They should already be back to normal color. If not, move to the next step. Step 2. Adjust display and brightness. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, you'll see two appearance options, light and dark mode. Switch between them and check which one fixes your notification color. Still seeing black and white notifications. Step 3. Accessibility settings. In the main settings page, look for the option Accessibility and click on it. Tap on Display and Text Size. Now look for these three options: reduce transparency, increase contrast, differentiate without color. If any of these are turned on, toggle them off. Once you turn it off, you should instantly notice your notifications going back to their usual colors. And that's it.